Here's how to fix AI hallucination problem in your blog post. So let's just say you have used AI, ChatGPT or Gemini to write 100 plus blog articles, SEO blog articles, but for some reason there is a decline in traffic because you have written some content, or sometimes it, your ChatGPT will hallucinate and write something irrelevant. Now, how to fix the problem in your blog post? Now, first thing first, you need to identify. So let me just go here and write it down. First thing first, identify uncrawled pages. Okay, sorry, identify uncrawled pages and rewrite plus remove plagiarism in that article and add experience in article, SEO article. Okay, and update to current timestamp. Now, what I mean by current timestamp is you need to update the date and time, fresh content, and then submit to Google Search Console. So that's how we do it. So I've been using a lot of AI. So as of now, I didn't face any issues. But yeah, if this one is trained on most of the SEO articles, so it's good to go. So this is created by SEO marketers, and they know how to write, how to position, so that they can improve the rank of the articles. So that's how we do it. By the way, the link will be in the description. You can book a call with me, free call with me, and I'll help you how to automate your SEO blog articles.